Good morning, everybody. This is Vikram Gorpade on October 27th, 2020, and I'm here to talk to you about the coronavirus and how you're going to be dealing with it. Today, more than anything, people are worried about touching a door handle, touching a chair, and getting infected. And I'm here to tell you about how you're going to integrate infection control in your life and how you're going to deal with it, because this pressure is more than any financial pressure, because no one can afford to get sick with corona today, and many people are done with constantly washing their hands, using a lot of sanitizers. They're not sure about what quality sanitizer is, and to walk through this process, I will actually tell you about certain things which need to be, looked at from first principles. About 500 BC, there was a great sage called Patanjali, and he had a set of 5 yamas as well as 5 niyamas. I will not get into the depths of each one of those yamas or the niyamas, because they deal with the ethics as well as they deal with the behavior of an individual to find true inner happiness. But one of those yamas, one of those niyamas actually, is very important in terms of today's COVID. It's called the Shaucha. People have confused Shaucha. In fact, an entire Brahminical cult exploited the Shaucha principle and made people, the caste system ended up with a lot of people making people untouchables. But that system actually needs to be revisited. What that really means is that we need to be clean. Clean from what perspective? We need to be first inner, we should have an inner cleanliness within ourselves. The second is we need to maintain distance from everyone, because too much proximity actually in the yoga philosophy ends up with energy pollution. People would look at me and say, what is energy pollution? Is this guy gone crazy? What is he talking about? You can observe that if you're around an unhappy person, you can become unhappy. If you are around a happy person, you can be happy. But what about you yourself finding happiness or unhappiness? And what about you yourself staying healthy rather than trying to go too close to someone and trying to pick up their energy? So the first tenet of the Shaucha is to maintain physical distance and energy distance where you are not too close to the person. Some people say 6 feet, some people say 10 feet, some people maintain 12 feet. If you look at some of the sages, they always keep their disciples far away and they do not even allow them to touch their feet. So this principle is not that they do not want the disciple to touch their feet, but they want to maintain their own Shaucha, their own energy balance. And in today's modern day and age, maintaining Shaucha is very, very important. The second thing about Shaucha is to keep your body clean. So, body clean, many people say, the great Shankaracharya of Kanchi, His Holiness Chandrasekhara Swamiji, used to have bath 4 times a day. Once early in the morning after he woke up, once after he finished his morning pujas, another time in the afternoon, after his meal, and the fourth time was after he again finished his evening pujas and before he went to sleep. Many people would think that this man is just going crazy about cleanliness, and but if you look at it from a very scientific perspective, when you are in the vicinity of a lot of people or when you sweat, you tend to absorb the air around the people around you. You tend to absorb the sweat around people around you if they come into close proximity with you. And so bathing often is very important, especially in hot, humid climates like India. It is even more important. So now we need to come back to the thing about touching. A lot of us, if you observe the great people, they have a white cloth which they put underneath them when they sit down. They wear a white cloth when they walk around. People say, these people crazy, all the time they're wearing white. What is the usage of white? If you observe the color white, even a little bit amount of dirt on white shows up immediately, right? So white is a very important color, and I would suggest that all of us try and have a white handkerchief with us or something white with us so that we can see what is happening. And when you touch a surface like this, you can see all the dirt on it. White will immediately show you the dirt on the surface. And I would like to talk to you about a technology which, people are talking about a lot. There is a number of companies talking about coating, but there are coatings, which can last for 1 year. They work on the principle of light, and they can keep your surfaces disinfected. And if your hand, which is infected, let us say you have corona, touches the surface, then the hand itself will get disinfected. And the next surface, remember, only the next surface. If you touch your shirt, that surface, if it has any infection, you will not get affected by it. If you have corona, obviously you will not be transmitting it to anyone else if you're touching another surface or someone else. But after that, the disinfection goes out of your hand. The surface, of course, will again regenerate tiny nanoparticles of a disinfectant. To hear more about this, please get on to www.techpowerindia.com or reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook, and we can educate you about what we call nano coatings and how this technology is helping us in the combat against coronavirus. I'll be talking to you more about, other methodologies where we can actually work with corona and prevent it, and how this is going to benefit us in the long run. Thank you so much.